Alright, what's the deal, YouTubers? SMC Show. We back with another video, man. Today we about to be doing a POV with 345 Durham.
You feel me? 345, man. We about to get busy for you on the traffic.
Man, we about to go crazy. I ain't got my fucking mount, so you know we gotta do shit with this little ass camera. But no, so as you see, we got the 345 here, 392. About to be cutting up, and we got my cousin camera on top of my shit, so we about to have another angle for y'all too. Shit about to go crazy. I'm not gonna lie, the cars do look hard as hell in this camera. This camera make it look like it just make it pop like 10 times more. It's crazy.
First time seeing it in person. That's my first time seeing a wide body in person.
It's crazy. I never would thought like I'd see this bitch in person. It's crazy.
Some shit that he just randomly popped up.
Man,
on YouTube.
literally, bro. He literally just met off YouTube, bro.
Literally met off of YouTube, then went to Instagram.
Man, as you see though, wide body, narrow body, about to cut up. All right, gang. We got 345 drum right here. We about to cut up. We up. All right, y'all, we got both angles. We got the GoPro up here and we got the oh shit, wide body. That shit hard. That shit hard as fuck. This bitch in sport mode. Get some noise going. I know. That's why I didn't even do nothing crazy. Hopefully they don't turn the fuck around. That'd be funny as hell they turns around. Man.
This a bit harder on the front hood, but you don't want it on the paint though.
No, it look hard like that though. Like you see like the whole nose and everything.
Yeah, facts.
Oh yeah, y'all. I got my cameraman with me, my cuz T. Tell me your shit real quick, bro.
What's that word, bro? Y'all come find me for real on Instagram, TLK Visuals. TLK Visuals, or y'all can find me at The Tint Crew.
On God, he don't who tinted my windows. Go watch the 10 video that we got.
That's right. I wish I could redo yours because like I'm taking the door panel off.
Oh yeah.
This journey back here about to pull into the right.
Oh, so Scatpack right there. That's the second scat I didn't see in like 5 minutes. Damn, bitch. Scoot over.
Oh, you using the paddle shifter?
Yeah. Traffic is crazy. I can't even hit the gas. This car be shifting like crazy, bro. And then if like the engine about to fucking just jump out the hood.
You need to go like a freeway or something.
So I need to get the freeway?
From like this is like old, like an old city.
Yeah, cause I don't know where I'm literally just driving. I don't even know where the fuck to go. Bet.
He's gonna be good.
Bet. Oh shit, it's not even.
No, never mind.
Oh shit. Oh, never. Never mind.
You see, it's an open road
Yeah.
down there. You see
What
it?
the fuck? That's crazy.
I think it's like right here. But you see that open road?
Yeah. I'm gonna turn this like. We about to turn.
Hey, we probably
Hey, about to
go this
turn.
road, right?
I thought that was the turn, bro. I'm like, what the fuck? I didn't know either. All right, bet.
Hey,
I gotta cut my nails.
low key, get in front of us. Get in front of us when it. Yeah, damn there. Sure, we get like inside view of me getting you. Like,
Yeah, you can do that too. Yeah, we could do like the it'd be like POV you ride passenger princess like shit too.
well, nobody ever said no crazy shit like that.
All right, there.
Fuck.
Oh shit. Train tracks.
Let him get on the side of you.
Oh yeah. Give me some pat. Oh shit.
You talking crazy.
For real?
Hey, that's SRT, that thing. Hold on. Hold on, look.
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Oh, it was a RT right there.
Oh shit.
Yeah, that bitch is hard as hell.
I didn't even see that bitch. He about to hit the tunnel.
What you about to do?
I thought he was about to hit the tunnel. Bro, my shit is like being drowned out by his shit. His shit is too loud.
Loud as hell.
This happen every time I record with somebody though. They shit always louder than my shit. My shit quiet.
Got them stock guts in that shit.
Man, everything's stock in this bitch. This shit, it don't even sound like I'm doing nothing, but I'm hitting the gas and it's not doing shit. I'm about to just put it in Trackiana real quick. Shit. Man, going crazy.
Let me see how the GoPro looks. Whole time, nigga, I forgot we had that angle.
I did
there.
too.
That shit so hard.
Man, I love his shit, bro. This shit sound
Bro,
crazy.
This shit sound crazy, boy.
My shit sounds so ass compared to his shit.
Bro, his shit sound like it.
It's a cat. It sounds like a damn cat.
Facts. Nigga, I want that supercharged wine. So
Oh
bad.
shit. Hey, you heard my shit whining earlier though?
Yeah,
My shit got that slight whine, bro.
It's like when you be pulling it, like
Yeah, when it be pulling.
Yeah, you got that like that slight wine.
Man. Little ass road.
Arrow is here for all tires.
It's wide, but I feel like they about to scrape my fucking shit. Oh shit.
I need to get back on the main road. I'm gonna tell you real quick.
Alright, bet. Actually, low-key is kind of better over here, though. I don't know.
Low-key, yeah.
That way, it's like we just like chilling and shit, type shit. Shit, bro. The trees. Oh damn.
When you can though, get on the side of it.
Alright, bet.
You damn near need an Insta 360 for your other one. I wouldn't get no GoPro.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna get like one of them 360 cams.
Yeah.
Type shit. You hear that shit? That's my engine.
Why it's on?
Cause it do that every time, like when your temps are here to go up, it's at half. So like if it get to that, it's gonna get even louder.
Why I do that? Just to like cool down?
Yeah, to cool it down. If I had a Hellcat, it would have like the chillers. They have like a whole bunch of more options, and it's this one thing called chiller. You can like have it to where it's like AC on your fucking supercharger. That shit is crazy. Or if you get a Demon.
Nigga, if your GoPro was on top of the car, that bitch would have been blew up. Your bitch would have been turned off.
Oh shit, he tweaking that bitch. Dog, tires. That shit is insane. And my shit is quiet. I don't know, that's some normal shit. Bro, ignorant as hell. All right, y'all, that's gonna be it for the video though. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna catch y'all later.